Meaning of geologist.
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 Geologist. A geologist is a scientist who studies the Earth's structure, materials, and processes. They use a variety of tools and techniques to gather data about the Earth's physical properties, such as rocks, minerals, and fossils. Geologists analyze this data to gain insights into the history and evolution of the Earth and to understand the processes that shape its landscapes and natural resources. They play a crucial role in identifying and managing natural hazards like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, and their work also helps us to uncover valuable natural resources like metals, oil, and gas.